Understanding DNS records that are accessible via the Manage DNS in your StackCP dashboard. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Although it sounds technical, it's quite simple. It's a method for your browser or mail client to locate websites and services on the internet. Computers prefer numbers, but humans favor names. It's much easier to remember someone in your iPhone's phonebook as John Doe, rather than by his number, 07999333456. DNS is essentially the internet's version of this. You're likely familiar with IP addresses. These are the phone numbers of the internet, looking something like 192.168.100.2. You've undoubtedly seen a website or an email address like www.google.com or john.doe@hotmail.com. DNS acts as the phonebook of the internet, matching website and email domain names with the actual IP addresses of servers on the internet. From your StackCP dashboard's Manage DNS, you can access and add, remove, or edit DNS records. Here's a list of records you can manage. A records. A records enable a DNS name, for example www.hostmaria.com, to point to one or more IP4 addresses. Quad A records are used for pointing a DNS name to IP6 addresses. These are the most common types of records. The DNS name T.B has both an A and Quad A records pointing to 185.151.30.182 IP4 and 2A07:7800:182 IP6 respectively. CNAME Records. CNAME stands for canonical name. There can only be one per name in a DNS zone. A DNS zone essentially refers to the domain name. A CNAME record points to another DNS name, not an IP address. It's useful for pointing multiple names to one location and then only managing one set of IP addresses. Note, you can't add a CNAME for the root domain. A CNAME can only be added for a subdomain, like ftp.t.b, not t.b. MX Records. MX stands for Mail Exchanger. It directs a sending mail server to the receiving mail server, in order of priority, with lower numbers having higher priority. The MX record for host Maria is mx.stackmail.com. Text records. TXT or text records are typically not used to locate servers on the internet, but to verify domain ownership or validate that mail from certain hosts can originate from that domain. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need additional support, please open a support ticket at Host Maria Support Ticketing System. Please do not use emails and do not reply on email notifications as we can't guarantee a timely answer on these. The fastest and most efficient way to get support is using Host Maria Ticketing System. Thank you.